Welcome all for the engineering graphics session. Today we are going to hear about the problem in development of surfaces from Unit 4. Myself, Engineer G. PRADEESH, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari district. So, question is, a cylinder of diameter 40 mm, height 75 mm, is cut by a plane perpendicular to BP and inclined 55 degrees to HP and meeting the axis at the top face. Draw the lateral development of the solid. So once again repeat, a cylinder of diameter 40 mm, the height is 75 mm, is cut by a plane perpendicular to P and inclined 53 to HP, meeting the axis at the top face. Draw the lateral development of the solid. So first of all, we have to draw the initial position of a cylinder, which is resting on HP with its base. Draw the soil line, reference line. So when the cylinder is resting on HP with its base means we can see the circle in top view. So we have to draw the top view first and then we have to elevate the top view into front view. Project the top view into front view. So first draw the circle of diameter 40 mm. For that, take radius of 20 mm in compass and a circle of radius 40 mm. Whenever we draw the circle means we have to divide the circle into 8 equal parts. Eight equal parts and name that as 1A, 2B, like that. As you can see, we have two bases in cylinder, top base and bottom base. Both are circle. When we see from top image, we can see the upper surface of the cylinder. Upper surface of the cylinder means circle. In bottom surface, we also have a circle shape, but we cannot see it is hidden by that. So we have to mark the points for the base circle also. So if the base circle is not seen by us means we have to give the number in bracket. For top base, I will give numbers as 1, 2, 3. For bottom base, I will give numbers for as A, B, C, D. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points on the top base, but we cannot see the base circle A, B, C, D in bottom surface. So we have to put it in bracket. We are having 8 corners, 8 points for the circle. 7G and 8H. So the upper surface is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the bottom surface is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So we have done that top view of the cylinder. Now we have to project that into front view. So that all the points to the front view. From X1, we have to give the axis length height 75 mm. We have to measure 75 mm from the X line. So from this X line, we have to measure 75 mm and join the points. There is the axis length. From the reference line XY only, we have to measure the height of the cylinder. So bottom base is A, B, C, D. We have to give the points A dash, this one is B dash in bracket H dash, because we can see the B point and we cannot see the H point. So we put the H in bracket. Here we can see C and G is hidden. So we put it in bracket. And here we can see D and F is in bracket. And this one is point E. The same way the top is added to the point is 1, 2, 3, 4. The same way we can see 2 and 8 is in bracket. And here 4 in bracket 6. The last point is 5. So we have done the initial position of the cylinder. So the next step is we have to draw the cutting plane position. So the given us the cutting plane is perpendicular to VP and inclined 55 degree to HP and meeting the axis at the top face. Top face is this is the top face of the cylinder. Meeting the axis top face means in this point 37. Okay, in this point the cutting plane is start to cut the cylinder. Okay, place a protractor in this 37 point and make a 55 degree line here. from the top is it will cut the generators from 1 to 8. So so the axis line should be drawn like this. The two plane should be drawn like this. So the cutting plane cuts the points in generators 1 to 8 and the top face of the cylinder. So we have to give the points for the cutting plane cutting area also. So here we have 1 point. Here we will get 2 points for the cutting plane. Because here we have a 2B line and 8H line. So two lines here. For that we will get 2 points for cutting plane. And when the cutting plane cuts in top or bottom base, we will get 2 points. So here 1 point, here 2 and 2. Total 5 cutting points are there. So for cutting one I will give like names as P, Q, R. Let's only top base we will have 2 points. One is R and another one is behind line 7G. So we will put it in bracket S dash. Okay. Q in this line also we will get 2 points. For 8H we will put it in bracket D dash. So that's the remaining areas. This area will be removed from the cutting plane and we have to dark the remaining area. Also dark the circle. This is the initial position of the cutting plane and the cylinder. Now we are going to develop the cylinder after cutting. For that, first we have to draw the development of cylinder without considering the cutting plane. Draw a straight line from the axis side. Okay. Draw a line parallel to the generator. This is the starting point of the development. Okay. The length of this development is a formula we already seen. The perimeter of the circle. The perimeter of the circle is pi d. We have two formats. Perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r and pi d. Pi r. We have two formulas for perimeter of circle. So we are using the formula pi d, pi d. Diameter of the circle is given as 40 mm. Pi into 40. The value is 3.14 into 40. 125.7. The total length is 125.7, and we have divided the circle into 8 parts. So we have to divide this length into 8 parts. Okay, 125.7 divided by 8, which means divided by 8. The value is 15.79. We have to divide this line in 15.7 by using the value 15.7 into 8. So measuring compass, and starting from here, we have to divide this line into 8 equal parts. 15.1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. So we have divided it into 8 equal parts. If you measure this means you will get 125.7 mm perimeter of the circle. Join all the lines vertically. We have to give the points starting from this 1 line and also ended at 1 end, because we cut this cylinder in this generator. We will get the starting point as 1A and also the end point as 1A. B, C. H, and also end it at A. The same way we are giving the top points, top base points 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the development of a cylinder without considering the cutting plane. Now we are going to extend this cutting plane points to development. So the point P is in 1A line. We have to extend this up to this 1A line and extend horizontally. And the 3 point is already in the R and S point is in 3 and 7. So we'll make it between 7. So the P point is in point 1A, line 1A. So we cut it in 1A point, intersecting point in intersecting line in 1A. Point is 1. And the point Q is in 2A and T is in 8H. Q is in 2A and T is in 8H. And point R is in 3 because it is cutting in that particular point 3 pound. So it come in that point only. And this is in 7. These are the points. That will give the points like P, here also P, Q, this one is here, and P. So join these points by using hand, we will get the final answer. And yes, T to the architecture and so join outer edges by using scale. So this is the final answer for the section development of the cylinder. Okay. So if we cut the cylinder in the top base, meeting the axis of top base means we'll get the development of cylinder like this only. We have the imaginary lens, so we should not dark this in inner lines also. The cylinder is in a plane surface, so we get the outer edges like this only. Hope you can understand this. Thank you.